All right, hey, good morning. Welcome back to What We Did, and we are in Dauphin Island, Alabama. We are at Dauphin Island Campground. And so this campground is pretty packed in here. What the hell's over there? That's a bird. Anyway, it's pretty packed in here. Got a lot of people, a lot of folks, a lot of RVs. Just kind of pan around, take a look. You'll see this is a very boating, fishing campground. It is a little rough around the edges, but a sense of community. I'll put it that way. I've noticed that a lot of people gather up together and seems like can stay in here, which is actually really neat, really nice. So a lot of friendly people too. So that part's pretty cool. But this says site number 6, and not a whole lot to it, as you can look around and see here. It's got your it does have full hookups, which is pretty cool. So back here on the backside, you got your water, electric, sewer. Oh, it looks like some a-hole stepped on my sewer pipe. That's nice of them. Appreciate that. Or they rode their bikes over it. That is one thing. People will really cut in between the sites here. But anyway, so you got your 30 amps, looks like 30 amp, and then I can't tell, it's 15 or 20 amp. So, but anyway, water, electric. Got some nice trees here in site 6. And the other thing is I'm not feeling real well right at the moment, so I'm going to cut this one short, and we'll catch you here. I'm headed to Laurel, Mississippi, and we'll catch you there. All right, see you later.